This is how you put on Tesla lights. These little, I don't know if you can see it. They're not as bright as the stock lights, but they're cool. Bought these from Amazon. I don't know if you could tell the difference. This is how bright the Tesla light is, the one I bought from Amazon. And this is the original light. So they might be just as bright, but just larger puddle on the stock light. Okay, this is how you put it together. This is how you put it on. Okay, these are the ones that come from Amazon. I bought from Amazon, cheap, 23 bucks. This is a stock OEM one from Tesla. You see these little clips here? You have to get to those clips to unlatch it, to have it come down. Here's what it comes with. It has those latches too on both sides. That lens that makes the Tesla symbol. Okay, on the stock light, it's in here. You have to get this to a low pick with a 90-degree in there. You have to get it in there and go like this, and then you can unlock it by twisting it to push on these clips here. So you twist it and it pushes on these clips. Do the other side, undo it, and it'll pop out. That's the easiest way I could find. Okay, let's see if I can show you. Use a little plastic tool here to pop the lens so you can get your 90-degree pick in there. It's like picking a lock. Once you get your pick in there, you should be able to twist it. Let's get this light. Get this light. Twist it, and it pops out. Unlatches. Then you push on this little lever here. This little latch. And funny thing, when you do that, it disconnects the, it thinks the door is closed and it closes the window. It's weird. Then when you put this back on, the correct way, only goes one way, it thinks the door's open now. Make sure it's pointing, your Tesla thing symbol's pointing the right way, and push it back in. There you go. That's how you install it. A little bit of a struggle. Okay, they're all installed. This is what it looks like when it's completely dark here. I don't know if you can tell. Just like that. All four sides. Done.